This is the ESDDI 176 LED camera panel light. Let's take it out of the box. Inside the box we find the light itself with all of its LEDs. I'll get back to that in a bit. And there are 4 filters here. You have a magenta filter, a warm white filter, a blue filter, and this is a clear diffuser. These all act as diffusers to help diffuse the light so it's not so very strong in one spot. You also get the instruction booklet here, a charger for the battery with the cable, which is USB to micro USB. You can see how it plugs in just like that, and your battery would fit on there to charge like that. The battery it comes with is a Sony type battery. This is like an NP F550 type Sony battery. These are available. You can get generic ones online as well. And if you don't want to do that, you can also run this off of your own power source, but you would need to supply a cable, as you see right there, with the proper voltage and plug. So the battery just fits in and snaps in place, and it shows you the battery charge. That's at 99 on it. So it just has a regular 1/4 inch mount there, so that'll fit really any tripod. And I just put this little tabletop one on there so I can better show you the unit. We'll start around back. There's a knob here that turns and also acts as a power button. So you hold it and you can see the light comes on and it shows you the percentage of light. This is set to 99, that's as high as it goes. If the camera will show that, there it is. And then you can run that all the way down to 10. Okay, and here's the light it puts out at 10, and we'll raise that up and you see how it gets brighter and brighter. The camera of course adjusts for all this, so you're not seeing the full effect, but just to give you the idea. This is with it at full brightness. The camera of course is compensated for this at this point. Now I'll put the filters in and show you what they do. So the filters just slide in like that, and now it's a lot more diffuse. If I come over to the side, you can see how it certainly diffuses the light a lot nicer. That's your warm white filter, that's your red filter, as you can see there, and your blue filter. And here you can see all of them side by side. So I have the light on at full brightness now, just shining at the wall, and I'll go ahead and crank that down. The camera of course will adjust for this, so that's why you see it get brighter and dimmer, but that would be at the lowest level, and then you can crank it all the way back up to the highest, which is right there. Now I'll go ahead and put the filters in one at a time and show you what kind of light that would cast. Now I'll just hold the filter in front of it. You can see the clear filter. Really, on a modeled surface like this, you really don't see the difference, but it would certainly help on much more reflective surfaces. In fact, if you look there, you can see those lines reflecting in the metal, and when I put that in front, they're a lot less. So there is certainly a difference. Your warm white filter will change it to that. So there's regular and your warm, and then we'll go over to the red filter. So you can see it certainly changes that and can help adjust to the proper lighting conditions that are required for the shot you're trying to get. And the blue filter right here will do that. There's also a cold shoe adapter that can fit the top of your camera. That fits in and gives you the 1/4 inch that you need right there. And this is also adjustable, so you can tilt it, as you see, like that. The color of the light itself is 5600 Kelvin, and it puts out at maximum brightness 1320 lumens, and the battery will last up to 2 hours at the highest brightness, and of course you'll get much longer time at lower brightness levels. If you wanted, you can of course, like I said before, pick up additional batteries like this online. You can get the true Sony ones, or you can buy aftermarket replacements. They'll work in this charger, and that way you can have extra batteries for your light on the go. Or again, if you have your own power adapter or power source, or you're in a studio, you can plug in your own solid power that plugs into the wall with the appropriate adapter and plug, and this will just stay powered, well, as long as you have power. Here's a dark corner. I have the light ready at its lowest brightness, and this is what it'll do for you at the lowest brightness. And now the same thing at the highest brightness. So that really brightens up your shots without any problem. So once again, this was the ESDDI 176 LED camera panel light. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.